My boys, here you guys can see $1,394.82. Its profit is almost $13,050 profit. Okay, now it's time to take the withdrawal from this account. Let's move on. Deriv official website. Let's move on Deriv cashier. For some security reason, I'm stopping the video. Let me do the process, and when they send me email confirmation after payout, I will show you guys the report. So yeah, my boys, after doing the all things, here you guys can see 29 Feb, the transfer from MT5 account, and here we took the withdrawal using the PayMeTigent withdrawal. $1,300 and 50 is in our account. Yeah, so this is how actually the boom and crash system works, and how actually it hold trades and make good benefits. Thanks for watching. If you still have any question, you guys may ask us. Okay, thank you. A lot of people maybe say this is something. No, this is not something. Look here, this is official Deriv website.